What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today we have my beautiful wife over here, and she'll be helping us out with a simple DIY install. So she'll be replacing the cabin air filter, and I just want to show you guys that anybody could do this because she has no experience doing it. First time? First time, but it takes you about 5 minutes, super easy. You can buy the part from any auto parts store like AutoZone or O'Reilly. So yeah, let's go ahead and get it replaced. And today we'll be doing it on my 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer Rallispired. Alright, so like I said, it's super easy, it takes you about 5 minutes to do. And the part itself, the cabin air filter, from any auto parts store costs you about $10 on average. So you can get it done way cheaper, do it yourself, as compared to going to an auto part, to a dealership, getting charged, $100, $200 to get it done. So yeah, if my wife can do it, so can you. You don't really need any tools, so let's show you guys how to get this done.
Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is to remove the cabin air filter. Okay, so you're gonna open the glove box, and then you're gonna squeeze the two sides so you can remove this. And where's the air filter? Okay, so this white thing is to cover the cabin air filter. Every car is different, so this one is on the side. You can just clip it, and here's the air filter in there. Here's the filter. You just remove it. It's little, my fingers are kind of, here we go. Wow, look at this dirty, all collected all the leaves here.
So that's what happened when you don't replace it. It gets dirty, pollen, leaves, all the nasty stuff.
All this, look at that.
So yeah,
ew.
Toss it out.
You're nasty, boy.
Before we toss it out, let's compare it with the new one to see how it looks.
Okay. Ta-da! This is the new one.
And check
look at
this
this nasty. Okay, so this is the new air cabin filter. So I'll make sure that air face it down, and then I am gonna install it. It's so easy. Okay, now I'm gonna install the air filter. It's so easy and simple. You just slide it in there, and then you're gonna put the cover back. Just snap it. Make sure it's tight. And I am gonna put the glove compartment. Okay, now I'm gonna put the glove box back. Okay, here it is.
Was it easy?
It is super easy.
Do you think anyone can do it?
Anyone can do it. Because I'm not a car person and I can do it. Anyone can do it.
Do you need any tools?
You don't need no tools at all. So all you need is these two hands.
Your hands? And how long did it take you?
I don't think not even 5 minutes though.
So
literally probably like 2 minutes.
Yeah, so pretty much any car, especially any Japanese car, for the most part, same process. I've done quite a few cars, and the more complicated ones are like your Mercedes, BMW, your German cars, a little bit more complicated. But for the most part, any other Japanese car, pretty easy process.
Thank you for watching DJ Media. Make sure to subscribe, leave the thumbs up, hit the notification, and I'll catch you at the next video.